couple of points that I want to make known to customers on the Razen stoves as far as maintenance is concerned. So number one is going to be that your oven clean out is going to be located, it is on the front of the stove, but it's underneath. So to get in there to clean out your oven, you would have to lay underneath the stove essentially on your back to get in there to clean that out. Number two is going to be in regards to the cooktop here. So to perform maintenance and get in and clean, you usually want to be able to remove your cooktop or to access certain areas. So to remove this cooktop, your side panels do have to come off. This cooktop is a little bit more difficult to remove than other cooktops that I've removed in the past. So that's a notable point. And then number three is going to be in regards to the doors. So we do have videos on replacing the glass. We did it actually two ways. We replaced the glass with the doors removed and it laying flat, but you can actually very easily replace the glass with the doors on. However, if you did want to remove these doors, you would have to lift up to remove them, but the hinge mechanism is located underneath the cooktop. So essentially to remove these firebox doors, your cooktop does need to be removed. Now we do have technical videos on how to remove the cooktop if you have this stove, so check that out. I always just like to be really upfront and direct with my customers on the product and what they're getting. Overall, this is a beautiful stove. It is a luxury model, very nice, clean, contemporary. So I'm very, very excited to bring this product to you guys, and I can't wait to burn it. I hope that you guys are excited about it, and I hope you love the stove as much as I do. Thanks for watching.